Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the free nuclear streaming music player. So what this does, it goes out to various sources on the internet to stream music for you so you could play it for free. So once you download the program, there's a couple of ways you could do it. There's an installer, I believe. This one's just the executable, so you just run it, nothing to install. Then it'll open up and you'll have all your different sections here. So in the middle you have your trending. You could filter it. Just kind of see what other people are listening to, I suppose. Best new music. Top tracks. You got your genres here. So once you pick one, so I'm recording at a low resolution for this video, so things are kind of big. Then you can just kind of go through and pick something from there if you want. Got some suggestions here. Then off to the side here, so the dashboard's where we just were. Then you have a download section here where you could actually download the music that you're streaming. A lyrics section here, if you could find some lyrics. Got some plugins, so like here's the lyric plugin here to try and find lyrics for the songs. Search results, if you're searching. You got various settings for playback, shuffling, notification timeouts, display, streaming, downloads, how many simultaneous downloads, where you're going to download them to. Equalizer. So I can make this full screen here. There you go. So you could do an equalizer based on the type of music you're listening to. And then this is the visualizer, which kind of shows you a little thing here while it's playing. You got your listening history, you got your favorites. We could add songs to favorites. And you got playlists. You can make a new playlist from here. You could also make a playlist from your current tracks here. Okay, so back to the dashboard. So when you do a search, you'll have these different sources here you could search from. So I was searching for this band, Built to Spill. So if I press enter there, so it found some results here, and then you could search for all, or if you just want to find artists or albums, specific tracks, live stream. And then if you could change this here to, let's say, Bandcamp, and press enter again, and then you get some different results. And then you could just, pick a song to play here. Actually, I got that one in there. Click on it, add to queue or play now. So if you add it to queue, it'll add it to your queue right here. And you can just play and go back and forth as you go along here. And you have some shuffle options down here, full screen, volume. And then up here, you could clear the queue, save as playlist, or add to a current playlist. So let's save this playlist, save as playlist. Let's call this My Songs. Okay, then if you go to your playlists, so My Songs, and it has 6 tracks in there. And you could import playlists from a JSON file from Spotify, like I said, create a new playlist from here. And you could add to favorites, and then the download option here, let's say we want to download this song here. Add it to downloads. Okay, so it's downloading right now, and that's downloading to the music directory here. So the download is pretty slow depending where it's getting it from. So that's kind of the basic overview. So when you download this program, I'll put a link for this. You could, there's a Mac version, Linux, Windows. So you just got to pick the right one. So I'm using the executable right here. There was a zip file, but there was nothing in it. And here looks like a setup file if you want to install it. So this one was fine for me. That way you didn't have to install anything, just run the executable. And like I said, you have the RPM and package files here for Linux and Mac and that kind of thing. All right, so like I said, I'll put a link in the description, and then you could try it out for yourself and start streaming some music. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.